Today I'm from Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. Today I am going to show you this amazing weather dashboard web app I built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Wi-Fi, and Open Weather Map API. For overall, I will show you how to develop this app by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are the main uses for this program. Today I will explain the overall topic. This app data users search to further live weather updates by use simply entering a city name. It shows temperature, humidity, wind speed, and short description of the current weather by using this tool. Uh, First of all, we go to we create a file base, create a file base and create a project name, and after we get the project URL and goes to the project settings, and we create a if we not have a key, we create a key, and we get a code. After the code, when when a user logins, when you fetch their profile data like name, email, phone, and address from Firebase 5 star and show it on the smoke. There are also a clean profile user that appreciates on our how weather data works. How weather data works. We are using the weather API, weather open weather map API. Once the user enters a city and clicks the sites, it fetches real-time weather data using the app and display it instantly and display. Let us after this once I will show you how it's uh, sign up by this code. First of all, we can sign up this. We can get the sign up post. Enter the already I already I entered this. So we create a new profile. Give me same name. You can give the different email ID. I will give already that email is shown that there. So I will give you different email ID. You can give your own password. You can give any type of address. You can giving successfully sign up. If we go to login this, enter the password before we create it. This page showing login successfully. So okay, then we enter the name and city, any type of city. That's it. Let us enter Chennai. Giving the perfect weather temperature 29.46 degrees, humidity 60%, 62%, wind speed 10.77 milliseconds, weather forecast clouds. So by this code, we can get this. By this code, we can get login sign up page, login page, and weather website. So we can use this HTML, CSS, JavaScript by getting the perfect weather report by using this app, weather open weather app API. We can go overall recap, we can take clean UI with responsive design, firebase login check and user info feeds, real-time weather updates. We can get the real-time what weather there will in climate in a city that will get the our information by this app. Error handling if the city is invalid before us. There is no there is no city in that will get the invalid log button that will redirect to the login page. Okay, if we log out, we can get the again login option. Final final overview of the project is whether this code is a great beginner friendly project to learn how to connect front end, five-based back end, and a third party website API. Let me know if the comments if you want to show us by this by this that's for that's by using this HTML CSS JavaScript, it can get our login page, sign up page, climate API, open weather climate. It can give the what weather there is in a city, in a particular city, whatever else in a particular city. That's all for this code overview. It is useful for the many passers by this code. Only I am used this code on HTML, CSS, JavaScript programs. This type of programs I use this in this code. That's the overall code is I am explaining now what are I use this in this code. Here basic CSS styles. Here I give the HTML comments. Here I use my Firebase ID, API key, and all. Here I will paste this. Here install Firebase. Check if here I will use the JavaScript. Use what I use in HTML that all goes to this. After this, we go to login. Enter the login. It goes to the enter the city. By using this link, we get the perfect uh, conditions what the weather is there. Here, what are the details I want in when I click the search on, then it shows the weather, temperature, humidity, wind speed, when it is good. What I want to get output that will I enter here to get the output perfectly. Here log search button it is search so you can get the details. Here log out if we want to log out and after login also. By I am used only three types of programs or HTML stuff to get the open weather API. By using this type of programs, login sign up this uh, login sign up program after open weather API. These are the overview of the uh, weather app. That's all for this. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Finally, I will show you output. Already I will show, but again I will show you. This is my output. I will get the perfect output. If we enter a invalid recipe, like I will enter I will enter any type of town like this type of oh, okay, this is a city, so that's why it's coming. Okay, I will enter a invalid like this. Now he is saying error. city not found. So if we city is not found, it can get the alert. If the city is there, it can get the perfect where this also not found. Now we enter, it shows. So it is a city, so it's taking. This is my output. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.